YouTube. Today we got goddamn what is it? Selling variety with this shit. Go here and shoot them goddamn fullies and drakes and shit. We about to start. Hey, by the way, we don't promote no
educational
I'm
purpose
saying,
only.
I'm saying, gang, this
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you. Right.
hell, let's go.
To bring your target back, hit home to send it out, whatever yardage you want. If you want a yardage that's not on 30, just hit.
I thought it was you.
Hey, where the bullets at?
Hey, that's gonna sound louder?
Yes.
Oh, hell no, bro. That's trying to give me a heart attack.
So I click which one I want. He said just put how many yards you want.
Yeah, I gotta get this bitch in there.
Gotta
Hey,
rock
put
it
this
like
shit
it.
in.
Make sure you're in the lane when you're loading it.
I'm about to just start.
Okay, you might as well just which color?
I'm about to start shooting.
I said, hold up. Wait a minute.
But I wish I was a guy.
First.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh, let me go first, dog. God damn, bro.
Let Kyle go ahead. Like you shot my Kyle already.
Oh, let me goddamn bring my shit closer. Like 12 yards. Oh, that bitch down. Yeah.
I told you.
Drop your bag and then, yeah.
Boy, if you don't get.
Man, that bitch riding though. That bitch getting hot. Alright.
Okay.
Damn. Is that how you put this shit in, guys?
Just come right here.
Yeah.
Hey, man. That bitch riding.
I know that bitch riding too.
Oh, that bitch riding to it.
Let's fit in.
30?
30?
Yeah. One of those boxes.
Oh, yeah. That bitch, I ain't gonna lie. This bitch riding again. Okay up. For safety?
I'm about to reload it.
Oh! Hold on, you gotta get him shoot that bitch first.
Alright.
Wait, who about to shoot super safe?
Yeah, I ain't allowed to record me though. I need some videos off my phone too though.
Hey, Kai, you gotta record it, bro.
What you mean?
Your safety, that's semi-auto. In the middle right there is super safety. And that'll be safety.
I wanna go straight to super safety.
Bruh. Look at this dude.
Put it in the middle. You ready?
3.
God.
Makai scared.
Nah, he low-key is. You can tell. You wanna start off with the pistol?
Y'all start off with the pistol game. Let me get a little bit of kick first before I get a lot of kick.
How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Stop the cap.
I ain't gonna lie, Chad.
How you feeling? How you
Yeah. Goddamn running, I ain't gonna lie to it. Hold on, go ahead, Zach. That bitch right.
My wood.
He crazy.
Hey, this was about the ride, Chad. We got the infamous.
Yo, my nigga, you done shot the fucking thing off, gang. Yo, we ready?
Let that bitch
Hey,
ride.
I'm scared of the
Let that bitch ride.
motherfucker. Hold on, let it be ride. What
What
to
you
it?
say? Let's do it, nigga. Let's do it, nigga. Let's do it, nigga.
I'm about to let it be ride. He's scared.
Let that bitch ride.
Go ahead. I see.
I'm about to show
I
y'all.
was whacking
Out the cap.
Get that bitch hot as hell.
King Drake. And your trigger finger slow as shit. I'm like.
Let's see if Zach can really work out for real. He do all that goddamn talking. He always run that mouth.
Look how far it is though. Come here.
Get up.
How far it is. My Drake.
Hold on, let me bust one at the same time. Hold up. Twin, I'm about to get mine too.
2, don't hit the ceiling. 1. Hey, come here, JB, come here. Oh yeah, boy, I really
I got this.
I really had y'all shit. I'm telling you.
Hell no, man. What the fuck?
First time shooting a fully. About to see how I do.
So we've been waiting for this nigga.
I'm about to teach you your stance. You gotta lean into it though whenever you pull it back.
Hey, hold up. Get the GoPro.
Now hold it down whenever you want it to go like fully auto though.
What you mean?
Like hold it all the way back. Hold on though. Let me get back. Okay, you gotta hold that bitch now.
Hey.
Keep going. It's loaded.
This bitch probably finna kick my shit.
Bitch. Keep going.
Then that bitch done.
19 done. Oh yeah, I need her.
Thumbnail real quick.
Let me see, Queso. No, hold on, wait.
It's one in the head, it's one head, twin. I'm picking up all the bills I ain't shoot. I'm picking the bitch right up, twin. You trim. Bitch going to the crib. Shit! That bitch running.
Wait, we gotta get a thumbnail with like.
Alright, y'all. That shit went on today, man. Like I said earlier, I don't promote no street. All that is a dub for me, gang. For real though. But we'll be back with a part 2 soon.
Part 2 coming real soon.
Yeah, Sean, yeah.
Hey, my man did his little big one on live chat. He dropped Drake, but we gonna try to edit that out.
Drake burnt me,
We gonna edit that out, chat. But other than that, man, today's video went good, man. We did a little something crazy. Look at all the bullets that we shot.
For sure, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notice.